Transform your career with comprehensive training that equips you with the essential skills, tools, and strategies needed to thrive as a successful virtual assistant in today's digital economy. Embark on your journey by gaining a thorough understanding of what it truly means to be a virtual assistant in the modern business landscape. This foundational knowledge will shape your entire career path. Virtual assistants represent a new breed of professionals who leverage technology to deliver high-quality services from anywhere in the world, offering business flexibility whilst maintaining their independence as entrepreneurs. The virtual assistant profession has dramatically broadened traditional administrative roles. Today's successful VAs are skilled professionals who bring specialized expertise and strategic thinking to their clients' businesses. The virtual assistant industry has experienced explosive growth, driven by technological advances, changing work patterns, and businesses' need for cost-effective, specialized support. This growth trajectory shows no signs of slowing, creating abundant opportunities for skilled professionals. Businesses hire virtual assistants to eliminate office overheads, access specialized skills globally, and scale their workforce up or down based on business needs without long-term commitments or complex HR processes. Virtual assistants offer a wide range of services, from administrative tasks to creative marketing and specialized support, catering to diverse business needs and enhancing operational efficiency. Today's virtual assistants operate from sophisticated home offices equipped with professional-grade technology, creating seamless collaboration experiences with clients across multiple time zones and industries. Discover whether you have what it takes to succeed as a virtual assistant. This chapter explores the essential skills, mindset, and equipment needed to launch your VA career successfully. The beauty of becoming a virtual assistant lies in the scalable nature of skill development. You can start with basic competencies and gradually build advanced expertise, allowing for continuous career growth and increased earning potential. Reliable computing power, high-speed internet, and a professional setup are crucial for virtual assistants to handle multiple applications and ensure crystal-clear virtual meetings. The transition from employee to entrepreneur requires a fundamental mindset shift. Successful VAs embrace uncertainty, take ownership of their professional development, and view challenges as opportunities for growth rather than obstacles. Remember, SMART goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Each goal should clearly define what success looks like and provide a roadmap to achieve it. Successful VAs often use vision boards to track progress from initial client acquisition through business scaling, celebrating achievements whilst maintaining focus on long-term objectives. The visual reminder serves as daily motivation during challenging periods. Transform your skills into a thriving business with practical strategies for building your online presence, pricing your services competitively, and securing your first clients in the virtual assistant marketplace. Your online profile serves as your digital shopfront, making first impressions crucial for client acquisition. Invest time in creating professional, compelling content that clearly communicates your value proposition and sets you apart from competitors. Research market rates thoroughly and consider both hourly billing and package deals. Package pricing often provides better value for clients, whilst ensuring predictable income for VAs. Start competitively and increase rates as you gain experience and testimonials. Leverage your personal network, social media groups, and job platforms to find your first clients. Craft personalized pitches that demonstrate your understanding of their business needs and showcase your expertise through content marketing. Establishing robust business systems from the start prevents future complications and ensures professional service delivery. These systems become the foundation for scaling your VA business as you grow. Notice the professional headshot, clear service descriptions, competitive pricing, and compelling portfolio samples that work together to create trust and demonstrate competency to potential clients browsing freelancing platforms. Welcome to Section 4, where we delve into essential skills every virtual assistant needs to master. This section covers everything from administrative excellence to advanced technical capabilities, ensuring you are well equipped for success. Administrative skills are the backbone of virtual assistant services. From calendar management to email excellence and document creation, these skills build client trust and open doors to specialized services as your career progresses. Communication skills set professional VAs apart. Mastering email etiquette, virtual meeting facilitation, and documentation excellence ensures you can represent your business professionally in all interactions. Social media management is crucial for VAs. Learn content scheduling and strategy, along with visual content creation, to drive results and engage audiences effectively. Content writing and blogging skills unlock higher-paying opportunities. Develop SEO foundations, engaging copy, and content planning to support marketing objectives and audience engagement. Customer service excellence is key to maintaining positive relationships. Master professional inquiry handling, complaint resolution, and CRM software proficiency to support sales processes. Technical skills are vital for VAs. Gain proficiency in project management tools, website basics, and data management to provide informed business decision support. The multi-screen VA workspace showcases the sophisticated setup needed for efficient multitasking and superior service delivery. This setup supports multiple client needs seamlessly. Welcome to Section 5, where we explore effective training methods for virtual assistants. Discover how different learning approaches can optimize your VA education journey. Synchronous training builds confidence through interaction and immediate support. Participate in live virtual classrooms, receive immediate feedback, and engage in collaborative learning with peers. Asynchronous training offers flexibility for busy professionals. Access self-paced learning, flexible scheduling, and comprehensive resources to pursue skill development at your own pace. Hands-on practice and role-playing are essential for developing critical thinking skills. Engage in simulated client tasks, scenario-based learning, and communication practice to build professional confidence. Regular check-ins and feedback are crucial for continuous improvement. Structured progress reviews and constructive development provide actionable feedback to accelerate professional growth. Learning management systems, LMS, offer superior flexibility and personalization for busy professionals. Access centralized platforms, 24/7 availability, and progress tracking to enhance your learning experience. A virtual training platform dashboard provides the structure needed for effective training. Features like progress tracking, resource libraries, and assessment tools create a complete educational ecosystem. Welcome to Section 6, where we focus on tools and technology for virtual assistants. Master essential software and platforms that form the foundation of professional service delivery. Effective communication tools are essential for client satisfaction. Master video conferencing, instant messaging, and email platforms to create professional experiences that rival in-person interactions. Productivity and organization tools are vital for efficient service delivery. Learn to use Google Workspace, Microsoft Office, and note-taking apps to manage documents and information effectively. Social media and design tools enable VAs to offer high-value creative services. Start with platforms like Canva and gradually expand to more sophisticated tools as your skills develop. Project management tools vary based on client preferences and project complexity. Choose tools like Trello, Asana, and Monday.com to increase your value across diverse client needs. Time tracking and invoicing are crucial for efficient business management. Tools like ToggleTrack, Harvest, and Clockify ensure accurate time monitoring and reporting, while FreshBooks, QuickBooks, and Wave streamline invoice generation. Expense management is simplified with ReceiptBank and Expensify, making tax preparation seamless. Cybersecurity is essential for protecting sensitive data. Password management tools like 1Password and Dashlane offer secure storage and sharing. VPNs such as NordVPN and ExpressVPN safeguard client data during transmission. Secure file sharing platforms like Dropbox and Google Drive ensure data protection, while regular data backups prevent loss. Virtual assistants utilize a blend of communication, productivity, and security tools to deliver seamless service. Each tool enhances workflows, boosting productivity and client satisfaction. Mastering these platforms distinguishes professional VAs from amateurs, ensuring efficient service delivery. Maintaining quality and productivity is key to a successful VA career. Establish systems that ensure consistent service delivery while sustaining productivity levels. This approach supports professional growth and high-quality service. Setting clear expectations with clients prevents misunderstandings and builds trust. Define project scope, manage timelines, and establish communication protocols to create professional relationships based on mutual respect. This foundation supports long-term partnerships and business opportunities. Effective time management techniques enhance productivity. The Pomodoro technique, time blocking, and priority matrix help focus on high-impact activities. These methods reduce mental fatigue and improve task completion rates, ensuring efficient work processes. Continuous learning and upskilling are vital for VAs to stay competitive. Online courses, industry webinars, and professional certifications offer opportunities to expand skills and knowledge. Lifelong learning ensures VAs remain current with technology trends and enhance their service capabilities. Handling revisions and feedback gracefully is crucial for client satisfaction. Acknowledge feedback promptly, use it for quality improvement, and manage boundaries effectively. This approach maintains a positive client-focused attitude and supports project success. Avoiding burnout is essential for sustaining performance. Set boundaries, maintain personal interests, and prioritize physical and mental wellness. Regular breaks and holidays help maintain perspective and prevent exhaustion, ensuring long-term productivity. Creating a peaceful home office environment supports productivity and well-being. Integrate mindfulness practices, proper lighting, and organized spaces to sustain performance and prevent burnout. This serene setup enhances mental clarity and emotional balance during workdays. Scaling your virtual assistant business involves transforming solo practices into thriving operations. Learn strategies for growth, team building, and creating sustainable income streams. This approach provides long-term financial security and business expansion. Hiring subcontractors and building a team is crucial for business expansion. Recognize growth signals, ensure quality management, and develop recruitment strategies to complement your services. This careful planning supports business growth while maintaining quality standards. Expanding service offerings diversifies your business and attracts more clients. Financial services, marketing support, HR support, and technical services provide comprehensive solutions for small business clients. This diversification enhances your business appeal and client base. Marketing your VA business effectively involves building a strong content foundation, maintaining a social media presence, and leveraging client testimonials. Referral systems encourage lead generation, enhancing your business visibility and credibility. Success stories inspire growth and transformation. Sarah's journey from solo VA to agency owner highlights the importance of strategic service packages and client relationships. Her growth strategy led to significant revenue increases and team expansion, showcasing the potential for business success. Financial management is crucial for sustainable business growth. Revenue planning, tax considerations, expense management, and growth investment ensure cash flow stability. Establishing separate accounts for taxes and growth supports long-term financial health. Business growth trajectory illustrates the potential for scaling a VA business. Strategic team building and service expansion accelerate revenue growth, showcasing the benefits of introducing premium services and increasing capacity. Consolidate your learning with essential tips and resources. Practical next steps propel your VA career forward with confidence and clarity. This section provides actionable insights for continued professional development. Key takeaways emphasize strategic planning, continuous learning, and adaptive business models. Building strong client relationships and maintaining quality standards are crucial for success. Embrace change and growth to advance your VA career. Launching your virtual assistant career involves setting goals, enrolling in training, and securing first clients. This rewarding career offers flexibility and financial success, encouraging you to take the first step towards transformation.